What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys been out there building shit. Believing what God gave you, taking on projects, building, fixing, creating. This is the channel where I encourage you guys to take on projects rather than call the experts and pay an arm and a leg. I'm Aspie, and this is the Word Shop. Today, we've got a shitty situation to talk about. You know, poop, crap, sewage, black water, the nasty stuff that comes out your RV slinky hose. If you ever find yourself in a situation at the RV dump, the black water clean out, you know, the septic system, where you need the poo to go, is it a higher elevation than your RV is parked? Gravity's not going to be your friend. But I will. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. One option to overcome gravity is one of these little portable macerator pumps. It works great for a temporary solution, or if you want to be outside hitting the button and pulling the levers every week or two, however often your black water tank fills up. Those macerator pumps run about $150 on Amazon if you're interested. But if you want a more permanent solution, an automatic black water dumping system, stick around. I'm about to show you how I set one up on an extreme tight budget. This is the solution that I came up with, and it cost about $250 all in. We run our RV slinky hose right into the top of this 18 by 22 inch sump base. They have these Jackal brands or the Everbuilt, but the lids are sold separately, so go ahead and pick one of those up as well. So now that you've spent about 70 to 80 bucks on a sump basin and a lid, let's take that lid off and get to the heart of this system. I'll show you how it works. So this is what she looks like with her top off. The heart of our turd pump here is this Harbor Freight sewage pump. It was about 120 bucks. Now I know some of you are thinking, oh, but Harbor Freight, that thing's junk. Well, you can get an extended warranty if you're really worried about it, but ours has been going almost 2 years now and we ain't had a problem. Besides that, we're trying to pump poo on a budget. It's how these little pumps work is this little float switch here. When it floats up, it turns on the pump. You hear that? And then it goes back down and it shuts off. Fills with water, turns on, water level goes down, shuts off. It's that simple, guys. So every time this little basin starts getting full, on comes the pump, ejects it, empties out the basin, and it's ready to accept more black water, gray water, etc. from your RV. Coming out of the pump, it's a 2-inch NPT fitting. Then I used an adapter and I shrunk it down to 1 1/4 inch PVC. And then this is the anti-drain back valve. The reason why you want that anti-drain back valve is because with the hose going to a higher elevation, if you disconnect here, it will continuously just flow backwards. See that? How it's just draining back? That right there's your friend if you're trying to keep gravity at bay. Now coming out of there, you've got a few options. If you're going to do a permanent buried in the ground line, I'd just continue running the PVC and bury it all the way to your septic system or wherever it's got to go, your black water clean out. Me, I didn't set this up permanent, so I necked it down and then I adapted it to a garden hose to where it was flexible and I could run it where I wanted. And since mine wasn't buried, I put some heat tape and insulation on that garden hose, and we never had it freeze on us. It's been through 2 winters now, and we didn't never have an issue with it freezing up. So not exactly my normal content. I usually build, fix, and create on trucks, but I just thought this would help some people out pumping their poo uphill. So if it helped you out, if you learned something from this video, Give me a like, really helps out with my small channel trying to grow, trying to beat those evil algorithms. If you're into my message of building, fixing, creating, and believing in what God gave you, hit that subscribe button. Really be appreciated. Till next time, keep building shit, guys.